Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about 101 Gemcom reviews from United States. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. This website, they offer exclusive high-end creative fashion products. Here you can see so many products like tank off-road vehicle, Snowjoy, so many products along with a reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. They receive payment by PayPal. So let's go to the shipping policy. So they say they do shipping within 24 hours after the payment. They do express delivery from US to the worldwide. They have two time frame, that is processing time and shipping time. Let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. So friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 17th November 2020 and expires on 17th November 2021. That means it is recently registered website and for a short period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. The About Us page is not mentioned here. That means you don't find any description about this website and there is no information about the founder and owner of this website. That is also one negative point of this website. Let's go to the contact address. So in contact address, they don't give any physical address or phone number. They gave only email ID info@apricotmall.com. That is also one negative point as they don't provide any physical address here. Let's go to the social media presence. So friends, it is available on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, but I don't see any much visitors of this website and it is not quite active on social media. Let's go to the return and refund policy. So they say that they do 100% money back guarantee and they take return within 14 days after the receipt of the product. So let's go to the customer reviews. So customer review page is not updated in the website. If you see in the Google, as I don't see any much reviews about this website and it has not gained much popularity and there is no score given yet. So that is also one negative point about this website. So the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are not well specified and there is no duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can see there are few negative points about this website. I can say this website is a suspicious website. So I request you all to do your research effectively before investing any money on this website. So before buying any goods, think twice, do your research. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.